You might be poisoning your plants without even realizing it. That is right. The compost you thought was helping your garden could actually be killing it. I know, because it happened to me. One spring, my tomato plants looked perfect, green, and strong. Then, almost overnight, the leaves began to curl, the color faded, and growth just stopped. I had no idea what was going on. I had done everything right, or at least I thought I had. But there was one hidden danger lurking in my compost that I never saw coming, and it nearly wiped out my entire garden. It was early spring, and I had just finished building 2 new raised beds. I filled them with rich, dark compost from a local supplier. It smelled earthy, it looked perfect, and I could almost see the plants smiling. Within days, my lettuce sprouted, my beans came up strong, and I was feeling proud. But 2 weeks later, something strange began to happen. The leaves on my beans started to twist. My peppers stopped growing. The compost I thought was my garden's best friend was turning into its worst enemy. Could compost really be dangerous? I started digging, not just in the soil, but for answers. That is when I found the first clue. The first hidden danger in compost is something called herbicide contamination. Sometimes grass clippings or hay used in compost contain traces of strong weed killers. Even after the composting process, these chemicals can survive and end up in your garden soil. For sensitive plants like tomatoes, beans, and peppers, even a small amount can cause curled leaves and stunted growth. The tricky part is that you cannot always see or smell that anything is wrong with the compost. It looks perfect, but it is silently poisoning your plants. This made me think, if one hidden danger is already here, could there be more? That question kept me searching, and what I found next shocked me even more. The second danger is contaminated manure. Many gardeners, including me, love adding aged manure to the soil. It adds nutrients and helps hold moisture. But if that manure comes from animals that ate hay or feed treated with persistent herbicides, those same chemicals end up in your compost. This is why sometimes, even after working so hard, a garden still fails. And here's the twist that most people do not expect. These herbicides can last for years in the soil. Yes, years. So if you have ever used questionable compost or manure, your soil could still be affected today. But this was not even the most dangerous problem I found. That one was still waiting for me to uncover. The most dangerous compost problem I discovered was pathogen contamination. This happens when compost is not heated enough during processing. Harmful bacteria like coli and salmonella can survive and make their way into your vegetables, especially leafy greens that you eat raw. This is not just a plant health issue, it is a human health risk. The good news is that there are ways to protect your garden. Always ask your compost supplier about their source materials. Test small batches before using them across your entire garden. And if you make your own compost, make sure it reaches the right temperature for the right amount of time. That extra care can save your garden and your health. So, let us recap. The 3 hidden dangers in compost are herbicide contamination, contaminated manure, and pathogen contamination. Each of these can destroy your plants and even harm you without warning. The key is to know your source, test your compost, and watch for warning signs in your plants. Do not let compost become a catastrophe in your soil. Now I have a question for you. Have you ever had a plant fail for no clear reason? It might have been the compost all along. Share your story in the comments because your experience could help another gardener avoid the same mistake. And if you want to know about another common garden product that could be secretly hurting your plants, that will be in my next video.